G'day trendsetters. Been a couple of ordinary weeks here for me in the veggie garden. I spent most of last weekend flat out in bed with a good old-fashioned winter head cold, I suppose. And then I came out here one day, and what can only be akin to the old schoolboy, the dog ate my homework. This is the veggie garden equivalent of the Possum Ate My experiment. So this was the potting mix trial that I had going, and he's absolutely cleaned everything up. So just a quick video to let you know that I've been out of action and hopefully getting back on my feet. And I don't know what to do with this, whether to replant it or just cut my losses. The potting mix should still be good. I will say the platinum, the Searles Platinum of the three I had was platinum. What was the other one? Osmocote, and then premium, Searles Premium that I always use. Out of the three, and including the blend, which was the fourth, which is a blend of the whole three, the premium was doing a lot better than the other three. But it was very early days. The only other thing that I found was that the lettuce, it was a ℚ𝕃𝕼, something like that, I can't remember. The other three pots had nice dark red leaves, whereas the lettuce in the premium, the Searles Platinum, was a little bit lighter in shade. Whether that was due to the extra growth that it was getting from the potting mix or what, I don't know. Anyhow, that's it for today. We have had 40 mils of rain, so things are looking pretty good around here. And hopefully I can get back on track and get a few more of these videos out that I've got planned, because they're all starting to bump into the next lot of videos that I've got planned. So that's it, just a quick update, and cheers and bye for now.